In this video, we will explore how to thrive with Amazon KDP in 2025, making the self-publishing process easier than ever. Did you know that in 2024, over 1 million new titles are expected to be published on Amazon KDP, with self-publishing revenues projected to exceed $1 billion? This growth highlights the incredible opportunities for aspiring authors. Many of us struggle with the complexities of self-publishing, feeling overwhelmed by the process or unsure how to get started. The truth is, it's easy to get lost in the vast amount of information available online. Without a clear direction, it can be hard to make progress. You might start with great enthusiasm, but soon find yourself drowning in a sea of conflicting advice and technical jargon. Or perhaps you have tried to publish a book before, but it didn't turn out as well as you hoped, leaving you feeling frustrated and discouraged. The fear of failure is real, but it shouldn't hold you back from pursuing your passion for writing. Self-publishing is a journey, and like any journey, it takes time, effort, and perseverance to reach your destination. Let's break down the key steps to successfully publish a book on Amazon KDP, including choosing the right niche, formatting, and marketing strategies. The first step is to identify your target audience and choose a profitable niche. This might seem daunting, but it's essential to understand who your ideal reader is and what they're looking for in an ebook. Once you have a clear understanding of your niche, you can tailor your content to meet their needs, increasing your chances of success. When it comes to formatting, it's all about creating a professional-looking book that's easy to read and navigate. This includes choosing the right font, layout, and design elements that will enhance the reading experience. We've added some popular ebook layouts in the description to get you started. Marketing is where many authors struggle the most, but it's crucial to get your book in front of the right people. Marketing strategies should be focused on increasing visibility, driving sales, and building a loyal readership. Amazon offers great ad services to help promote your new ebook. You can use free video tools like Flicky to help you create viral videos promoting your new ebook. The moment you realize that with the right tools and mindset, you can turn your ideas into published books and start earning money is incredibly empowering. It's a game changer, a life changer. You'll feel a sense of accomplishment, pride, and fulfillment that you never thought possible. As you start your self-publishing journey, remember that it's not just about writing a book. It's about building a business, a brand, and a community. It's about creating a legacy that will outlast you, a legacy that will inspire and impact others. To succeed with Amazon KDP, remember the importance of research, quality content, and consistent marketing efforts. Don't try to shortcut the process or take the easy way out. Instead, focus on building a solid foundation, and the rest will follow. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out other videos on self-publishing tips and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.